ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ICU ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್
ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಫೋನ್ English, okay? This is a self-monitoring BP machine, sir.
Okay.
And there is no manpower required for this machine. And you need to put just hand like this, sir. Okay. And you can only operate yourself. Okay. For example, I will show you. I'll show you. You can video it, huh? You can operate yourself, sir, first. Okay. See. Start.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
You will get print also here. See. You will get print, and this print also you can your hospital logo also you can put, and the patient ID also you can put. Mean BP also there are settings. Through settings you can put mean BP also.